Services of the ABAP Dictionary. The following ABAP Dictionary services support program development. Input helps for screen fields. Input helps, F4 help, can be defined with search helps. Field help for screen fields. Screen fields can be assigned a field help, F1 help, by creating documentation for the data element. Input check. An input check ensures that the values entered are consistent and can be easily defined for screen fields using foreign keys. Set and release locks. The ABAP Dictionary provides support when you set and release locks. To set and release locks, you must create lock objects in the ABAP Dictionary. The function modules for setting and releasing locks are automatically generated from these lock objects. These can then be linked into the application program. Data buffering. Performance when accessing database data can be improved for database objects, tables, views, and so on, with data buffering. Logging. Logging allows you to record changes to the table entries automatically.